Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Balram Prasad and I'm working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. In previous video, we have seen how to create GPT-4 Mini and also how we can play with our own data. In this quick video, we are going to see how we can deploy Dall-e3 model in Azure OpenAI Studio and also how we can use image playground and provide some prompt so that we can see how that Dall-e3 is generating image. For this demo, we are into Azure portal, and in previous demos, we have created this Azure OpenAI demo resource group, and then we have an Azure OpenAI resource. So let's go to OpenAI Studio. I have opened already. So this is how OpenAI Studio looks like. So once we are into Azure OpenAI Studio homepage, we have multiple ways to go to image playground. So one way to go via this homepage tile and another way we can go via navigation menu. So let's go from homepage, and once we go, by default we will see the deployment is selected is Dall-e2, and we have few prompt structure given that how we can play with prompt. And I have also downloaded couple of prompts from Microsoft website as demo. So let's see that how we can use some of the prompt, right? I wanted to generate a jogger running fast happy expression in airbrush. So we can see that image is generated. Let's try another one, right? Maybe 1980s man. Right? This is retro pixel art. So that's how that Dall-e2 is able to generate image based on prompt, whatever we give. And we can regenerate new image if we wanted to regenerate, or we can download, we can see code or delete. So if we wanted to regenerate, let's see what it regenerates. It is not going to be mostly same. It is going to regenerate based on new thinking. So if you see that, we can see that there is some changes has happened. So that's how Dall-E is able to generate image based on prompt. Let's go to now model catalog and let's deploy a new version of Dall-E3. So we can see Dall-E3 here, but I will go back into model catalog and we can see Dall-E3. There are a lot of models given, but we want to deploy the latest one, Dall-E3. So let's go ahead and click on deploy. And it is going to prompt the default setting. We can change the setting depending upon our need, but for this demo, I am going to keep the default one. Now this model Dall-E3 has been deployed. Let's go to playground, and now we can select different deployment, which is Dall-E3, and let's try to put some more prompt and see that how it looks like, right? Now we wanted to generate a magical running shoe. So let's see that with a smoke effect and low key lighting and other details. Now we can see this is generated by Dall-E3, and this seems very nice image. Let's see another things that we wanted to generate a runner who is tying to laces but with low camera angle with fish eye lens. So let's see. Now we can see that a runner is tying their lace with a low camera angle with fish eye lens. So that's how the Dall-E models work, and that is how we can deploy Dall-E3. And if you wanted to use this Dall-E3 with API and other things, we can see with the code that how the code we can use is a sample code from Python or C Sharp, or which packages we should be using, or Java and other details. And if you wanted to use intra ID from Azure, then also we can see that it is going to giving the point and other things based on whatever logic is given. If you see that default Azure credential, that is going to use the MSI or whatever credential attached with either if you are deploying function app or app services and other thing. So that's how we take this code and use that one as a sample, and we can deploy if you want to deploy into any demo sites or real sites, right? We can enhance this code based on our understanding. And this is what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope this short video you liked, and do check other videos from OpenAI playlist. I'm going to create many more videos on that one. So if you like, please do share with your friends and put some comments so that we can reach to more people. Thank you.